Hello everyone. So first of all, I want to say I'm sorry for my pronunciation of the indie word. So I'm sorry for that, but I'm very happy for being here with you. It is very a pleasure for me to, first of all, introduce myself. My name is Sebastiano Tolomei, and I come from Italy. I work for Legrand as business developer for IoT products. I'm in charge of Asia Pacific and Middle East. And here I'm with my colleague, Indian colleague, Soumi Srivastava. Very happy for that. And my objective today is to speak about IoT products and what is the strategy for Legrand for this kind of connected object. So it is very important for us. You will see during my presentation. And so I would say that we can start. I would start with a few words about Legrand. I hope that everyone in this room know Legrand, but I would like to add some more information about that. Legrand is a global specialist for electrical products and digital building infrastructure. We are selling about 90 families of products in different markets, in residential, commercial, and industrial. And 40 of these families are part of a new program that is called ELIOT. So I will take some minutes just later to discuss, to explain to you what does it mean ELIOT in Legrand company. A few figures about Legrand, just to give you a global overview about our company. We are present with subsidiaries or commercial offices in 90 countries, and we are selling in 180 countries. We have about 40,000 employees, and our turnover in 2018 have been about 6 billion euros. 80% of these are done outside of France. France is our main country. And so that's why we can say that Legrand is really a global player. I would say that India is one of our main subsidiaries. And so, thanks a lot. I would divide our offer in 7 major categories. The first is user interface, so switch and socket. That is our historical core business. Then we have energy distribution, building system that will be, I would say, the main part of the discussion of today. Cable management, VDI, UPS, and installation components. I was speaking about ELIOT program. This is the name that we gave to our program, our objective to take all the traditional products and to take them in the direction of connectivity, of smart IoT solution. So our objective in doing that is to improve the user experience. And we want to do that pushing on 4 main benefits that are the security, comfort, energy saving, and assisted living. So every time you see this logo that is ELIOT, it is because we are trying to take electricity, EL, and taking it to IoT. So this is the meaning of our logo. And we already started with this program, and we have more than, as said before, more than 40 families that are already inside this program. So I would start speaking about a little bit more into details about our offers. So that you can see here in my presentation, but I kindly ask you to come to our booth to see them, the physical products also. So I would start speaking about Arteor with Netatmo. That is our latest solution for home automation. So the main important point for this offer is that it is respecting exactly the same rule of the traditional wiring devices installation. So it is very, very easy to be installed, especially for people that are not so skilled about bus system or I would say home automation, very specific home automation installation. So it is very good, this solution for new installation, but also in case of retrofit. Because using exactly the same cabling, exactly the same rules, you can remove the traditional wiring devices and add our product and convert a traditional house in an IoT house, in a smart home. So the solution This solution can permit us to control lights, shutters, curtains, and also sockets. And it is permitting to have a scene, thanks to all of these controls, to have the visualization of consumption. So this is very interesting. I heard a question just before about consumption. This is our way to give a look to consumption. So our products can permit the user, the inhabitant of the house, to have the consumption, the precise consumption of the house. It's not over, because this solution can be controlled as typically as a traditional wired devices, I mean with push buttons, but not only, also with wireless devices. As we can see here, we have a wireless push button that they are giving big flexibility to the installation. With our app, we have our own app called Home Plus Control to control the house and the consumption. But also we are compatible with Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. So we can control our house also with voice controls. We pass to the second solution that we have about home automation. Why we have several solutions? Because we are selling in many countries and in many different cases. And so we want to provide every time the right solution at the right need. So this is the second solution I'm going to present you, and it is called MyHome app. So as you can see, it is a bus solution, and we have the division of commands and actuators that are linked directly to the different loads. And the heart of the system is called MyHome Server 1. That is the device that is permitting this solution to be IoT. So that's why we have the ELIOT logo also in this presentation. Okay, compared to the previous solution, I said before, it is bus, and so this is one of the differences. The second difference is that also we can control heating and cooling system, and also door entry system. So as you can see here, we have the new touch panel that is called Home Touch, and it is permitting to control home automation and also door entry system. So later on we will speak specifically about door entry system. Just I want to say that this door entry system is smart, is connected. So it means to the user to speak with the person that is calling from the outdoor unit, if it is sitting on the sofa, but also if it is, for example, in Italy for an holiday. Also this solution, just a few words, can be controlled with voice, as you can see on the slide. I pass to the third solution that we have, and this solution is, I would say, the high-end solution for Legrand. It is called Vantage. It is a company that has been purchased by Legrand Group many years ago, and it is our high-end solution. It is permitting to push a lot on specific features, like a very adapt to several needs of the lighting control. We have also different topologies of interfaces. So we have different topologies of keypads, let's say traditional keypads, but also screens, and also the possibility to use iPads to control the house. But another very interesting plus of this solution is the possibility to have integration to many different companies. So we are very flexible and open to integration with our solution to the solution of third-party companies. I quickly pass to speak about video door phones. Starting from, let's say, traditional solution. This solution is a standalone kit that can be installed for single houses, or even in case of buildings where it is not requested a global system. We have several indoor units and entrance panels, different models, so compared to the aesthetics that you would prefer. And it is using 4 wires, so UTP cable, it's absolutely perfect for that purpose. We have a second solution that is called D45, so it is the perfect solution for big buildings. It is using a Cat5 or Cat6 cable with RJ45 connector. And also in this case, we have several solutions for entry panels and indoor units. I close the part of video door phones speaking about our last solution, and it is absolutely in line with smart and IoT solution. Also here you have the ELIOT logo. Why? Because it is a connected solution. It is using 2 wires technology, so only a bus running for the wall installation. And this internal unit is called Class 300X. And we are already selling this product in India since some months. And it is giving the possibility to take the call and switch it on your smartphone. Again, if you are sitting on the sofa, you don't want to get up, or if you are on the other side of the world. So for example, today I'm waiting some packages that some products I bought for Black Friday. Maybe I will receive a call. I will have the possibility to speak with the mailman and open the door and ask him to take the product inside of my property. So this is one of the main plus of our smart door phone. Okay, I would say that for door phone, that's it. But if you have any kind of information, I will be there even later or at our booth. I leave the ground to my colleague, Soumi.
Good evening, everybody. I can't hear anybody good evening saying to me. Huh?
Are you there?
Good evening, everybody.
Are you there?
Can you please hear me? So we will, start the session with a quick thing. Huh? I just wanted to clap once. Okay, just like that. So this is the mistake. I said clap once, not a clap like this. Okay. So this is just to wake all of us, because I could understand there is a long session. So I'll just continue from where Sebastiano has taken us forward. Okay. So we have got a hospitality range which gives us a full solution for guest room management system with all the customized panels. It can be a bedside panel, it can be a thermostat, it can give lot of experience with respect to different solution. We have the footfall in mid-scale, luxury as well as budgetary hotels with different types of ranges. The total system can be customized with respect to different colors, logo, etc. And we can do the total integration with respect to NetX as well as DigiValet, the PMS service provider. Okay, so then we have got an audio system which is termed as Nuvo. You can get lot of different sort of players zone-wise which is segregated and different types of speakers. The total system can be sourced from Spotify and iTunes. The connectivity can be used as an interface from iPhone or Android or from the varying devices. The total system is compatible with KNX as well as an in-house protocol which is Vantage and MyHome. So speaking about lighting management system, we have a footfall in both networkable as well as standalone system. So in the networkable system, we have the protocol Vantage through which we can integrate the total system. We are also into KNX through which you can have integration through BMS. It can be a backnet, Modbus or LoneWork. On the other side, we have got a standalone portfolio with different types of ranges like PIR, microwave, dual range, which is comprising of PIR and ultrasonic as per the application. This is the last and slide for the discussion for this evening. We have got a wireless NAS calling system. It is a total wireless system which can get integrated through a server. It can be, so from there you can have n number of reports which you can drag, extract. This system is dedicatedly for the hospitality as well as the assisted living also.